To our beloved President, Chang Sun-Yun, to our Dean of Academic Affairs, Reverend Ferdinand Ventura, Dean of Student Affairs, Reverend Gil Hiponia, to the Dean of Evangelion Theological Seminary, and our speaker today, Dr. Shin Wuchul, Reverend Dr. Lawrence Gatawa, President of Presbyterian Theological Seminary, College and Advanced Studies, ladies and gentlemen, visitors, faculty and staffs, to my fellow graduates and classmates of Batch 2022, have a blessed morning to all of you. Before I begin, I would like to thank God, who is sovereign in all things, for He alone deserves the highest honor in this achievement. I would also like to thank all the people who have expressed their support for me and their anticipation for this speech. It is a great honor to give this address, and I promise to take it with all my heart. I have chosen every word quite carefully because I am fully aware of the responsibility you have bestowed upon me. Today, I stand before you, a servant of God, and nothing to be boasted for what I am and what I have. For I finished this race by God's grace and favor alone. I feel guilty, for I don't deserve any of this. I find myself on the stage experiencing numerous emotions, and I am certain many of you here empathize with me on that point. I am filled with a great sense of happiness and accomplishment. It was by no means easy to reach this finish line, and like the other, I also experienced various struggles before this race finished. But struggles have only made this moment sweeter. However, ladies and gentlemen, more than happiness, relief and fear, I feel a very strong emotion I cannot ignore today. More than anything else, today I feel sad for me, all students and my fellow graduates will fall apart. Today is the celebration of God's faithfulness, though I am not. My life is totally in control of our sovereign God, based purely and simply on His grace alone. A time like this gives me pause for reflection. The fact that I am here today wearing caps and gowns and represent the final stage of this journey in Master of Divinity. This remarkable achievement that I am deeply indebted to Evangelion Theological Seminary and to all my professors for having reached this destination. Mostly, I am grateful to the excellent professors who devoted extra hours to make me better at what I do and who inspired me to reach for the stars. I am also grateful to my relatives, friends, and church members who have cheered for me along the way. Thank you for your support and for your investment in my future ministry. This achievement means a lot for me, not only as one of the graduates, but as the Lord's servant. Now that I have reached this goal, for many of us has lifelong dream to have a master's degree and to be equipped for God's service. Personally, I am deeply grateful to our beloved seminary. When I began my studies 3 years ago, graduation in master's degree was just a dream, and that dream coming true today. My faith was tested when pandemic strikes in the middle of my studies, and financial became a struggle, but I always holding on to my favorite verse in the Bible. Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you as well. In Matthew 6:33. The Lord supplied all my needs to finish my studies up to this point. The faculty has given me space to learn, to unleash my ministry skills for the advancement of God's kingdom. And before I end, I want to leave a word to my fellow graduates and to my beloved professors. Without a doubt, we will leave the seminary knowing that friendships we have formed on this campus are lasting and true. We became here as students. We live here as friends and co-workers in God's vineyard. Learn from each other, equipped and able to perform our calling with all humility. I also want to remind us all that being a pastor is not an occupation, but a highest calling on earth. Indeed, this is a moment in time to treasure. As I live here today, I will always remember that I set out to do when I began my educational journey. What marks the end of my journey today is merely the beginning of a new one tomorrow, as I glorify the name of the Lord God Almighty. With the training I have received in this seminary, may God make me His true and faithful witness. God bless you all.